Good afternoon, children. Third class science. Already we will learn 10 question and answers in previous class. Yesterday we learned 5 question and answers. Total 15 question and answers. Day after tomorrow I will ask in Zoom class. Okay. Once again I repeat you first 10 question and answers and after 5 question and answers. Okay. Once again I repeat you total 15 question and answers. First one, all animals depend on plants for their food. How? All animals depend on plants for their food because all food chains begin from plants. All food chains begins from plants. All animals depend on plants for their food. How? Because all food chains begin from plants. Next, second question. How does an earthworm have its food? An earthworm swallows soil which has parts of dead plants and animals. Dead plants and dead animals. This is how an earthworm has its food. Okay. Third question. Why do cows and goats need to be fed on grass and oilseed cakes? Animals like cows and goats need to be fed on grass and oilseeds because these are milk producing food. Because these are milk producing food. Fourth question. Name one safety rule you must remember while walking on the road. While walking on the road, walk on the footpath or on the safe side of the road. Okay. Where do mosquitoes breed? Mosquitoes breed in uncovered drains or in dirty water that collects near houses. Sixth question. Why do we need a house? We need a house because it keeps us safe from the heat of the sun, the cold, the rain and the storm. Seventh question. What are the different kinds of soil? The different kinds of soil and are sandy soil, clay soil and loam soil. Okay now. What do farmers add manure to the soil? Farmers add manure to the soil because it's rich in humus. It's rich in humus and it makes the soil fertile. Okay, ninth question. How do rocks change to soil? By the action of sun, rain and the wind, the rocks break up into the small pieces. This continues for millions of years. Okay. Tenth question. Why do you need to breathe? Name two organs that animals use to breathe. We need to breathe because we cannot live without air. The two organs that animals use to breathe are lungs and gills. Okay. Why do living things need food? Living things need food to live. Food help them to grow. Help them to grow. Next, 12th question. What are man-made things? Give 3 examples. Man-made things are made by humans. For example, car, buildings, roads are man-made things. Examples of man-made things. Next. Why do animals move from place to place? Animals move from place to place in search of food. In search of food. From where animals get their food? Animals get their food from plants and other animals. Next, how is the balance maintained in nature? That to maintain the balance in nature, we should protect animals like the tiger. We should also grow more trees. Okay. What does a seed need to grow in a plant? A seed needs enough air, water and warmth to grow. It is the 16th question. You learn only 15 questions. Okay. Today we learn 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Once again I repeat to 11th question. Why do living things need food? Living things need food to live and this food helps them to grow. Next, what are man-made things? Give 3 examples. Man-made things are made by humans. For examples of man-made things, car, buildings, roads. Okay, these are the man-made things examples. And 13th one, why do animals move from place to place? Animals move from place to place in search of food. 14th question, from where animals get their food? Animals get their food from plants and other animals. How is the balance maintained in nature? To maintain the balance in nature, we should protect animals like the tiger and we should also grow more trees. Okay, these are the 11 to 15 question and answers, 5 question and answers, and previous class 10 question and answers. All animals depend on plants for their food. How does an earthworm have its food? Why do cows and goats need to be fed on grass and oilseed cakes? Name one safety rule you must remember while walking on the road. Where do mosquitoes breed? Why do we need a house? What are the different kinds of soil? Why do farmers add manure to the soil? Next, ninth question. How do rocks change to soil? Why do you need to breathe? Name two organs that animals use to breathe. Okay, already we learned 10 question, these 10 question answers. Yes, today we learn why do living things need food? What are man-made things? Give 3 examples. Why do animals move from place to place? From where animals get their food? How is the balance maintained in nature? These 5 question and answers practiced today, and total 15 question and answers. Previous class 10 question and answers, and today 5 question. Total 15 question and answers. I will ask day after June class. Okay, children? And perfect learn spelling, and total 15 question and answers must and should learn. Okay, thank you.